So this is question number 144 from NEET 2018 question paper. Okay, and what they have asked is they have given you some complex, some coordination complex COCl2 En2, and they have asked what kind of isomerism that this kind of complex shows. Okay, we know that this En is ethylene diamine, which is a bidentate ligand. Okay, so this compound is a octahedral, so it will form octahedral kind of structure. And if you look at the structure of the compound, it will be cobalt. So you can say you have 2Cl, okay, and then you have En. So I will not write 2En here, it implies ethylene diamine. Okay, so this is one complex which is bidentate. Okay, so that means if this is your structure, let's say, okay, pardon me for this structure, this is not very good looking. Okay, so this is your square plane and one is going above and one is going below, and you have two ligands here, okay, En and En. Okay, so this is a simply octahedral structure. So this is the structure of COEN. So in this case it is in cis form, and we know that these kind of structures may also exist and transform. Okay, so that means what I will have is CO, and at this square side I will put En. Okay, this time this, and I'll put another ethylene diamine ligand here. Okay, and here I can put Cl and Cl. Okay, so this is my trans kind of structure in this case, right? So these kind of compounds are capable of forming cis trans isomerism. So that is geometrical isomerism. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct option in this case, and this is a famous compound. I believe that you all know these structures.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.